What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video, another sneaker review. I know you guys love when I bring you some good sneaker reviews, and today I am bringing you by far, I think, one of the pairs that I've been wanting for the longest. Unfortunately, I could not find the UA version of this sneaker, so I had to pay resale. And yes, I didn't think I was ever going to pay resale for a sneaker, but I really wanted these shoes and it was within my means, so I went ahead and pulled the trigger and we're going to review them today. So if you're new to my channel, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below letting me know what you thought of the shoe of today's video. My channel is all about sneaker reviews, clothing reviews, pretty much anything about balling on a budget. This is the channel for you. And I post videos Wednesdays and Saturdays, and sometimes I do throw a bonus video either on Mondays or Fridays. So make sure you turn on the post notifications so you don't miss out on the video. Like I said, I purchased these on StockX. I will give you confirmation right here for you guys to see. I did pay almost $100 over retail price, but I think this is the cheapest colorway for the style of the sneaker. So as you guys can see, I already opened it. I'm so sorry. I am like a kid in Christmas Day. I just cannot wait to open the boxes and look at the sneakers. I did try them on. They fit me perfect. So we'll talk about sizes and all of that. So now, using the camera at the top, you guys can see the box did come very damaged, and it was dropped off by DHL, which was very weird. And I think I even got an email from StockX telling me that the package came through DHL, if I'm not mistaken. I'll show you guys on the screen. So anyways, we got some bubble wrapping, and then what we care about, which is the sneakers. Now, the box came in almost perfect conditions except for this dent right over here. Again, friendly reminder, I do not care much about the boxes. If they do come in great shape, I will go ahead and keep them, but otherwise I don't mind not having a box. So looking at the tag, I bought a USA size 6.5 men's, which is a 8 women's, 39.5 European size. As you guys know, well, if you have noticed, or if you have ever noticed, I am a true size 39 European. So that's kind of how I can determine whether the shoe's gonna fit me or not. It's pretty weird, but I always use the European sizes or the centimeters to kind of see if the shoe's gonna fit me. So you can see is a pair of New Balance 550. This pair right here became so popular, and I'm not sure if we have to blame TikTok or Instagram, one of those two. Here we have some cost card, and then let me see if I can block my address. There we go. You guys can see right here I paid $213.13 for the shoes. I placed a bid for $175. I was actually placing one for $160, and I think I kept it there for almost a month, and then I saw the price drop to about $185, and then I decided to raise my bid to $175. So somebody took it, and that's how I kind of pay. So I don't like paying more than $200 for resale price on a shoe, but for this one, $13 wasn't that bad. So yeah. Now for the sneakers, we have them right here. We have the 550 in the navy colorway. From far, it actually looks black, which I actually kind of like it, because I would say that it depends what kind of jeans or clothes I wear. It may throw you know, some navy hues, or it may actually look like a true black colorway. So I'll give you some close-ups of the sneakers later ahead. Let me just take both of them out. I really wanted to buy me the 550, like the yellow with like green color. I'll put it somewhere on the screen for you guys to kind of know what I'm talking about. And yeah, so the left pair does have the STOCKX verified tag, and then it does have this comfort foam insole tag. So I'm gonna put this one right here on the side, and then we're actually gonna check out this one right here so that the tags are not on the way. So as you guys can see, the midsole has NB for New Balance, and then also has it written out right here. I like the two-tone midsole. It looks pretty nice, and the bottom as well has a lot of detail going all over. I hope you guys can see the details. And then we also got New Balance branding right here. They are pretty comfy, and they are a pretty slim sneaker, so I'm not sure how it feels for people who have wide feet. I have pretty skinny feet, so these fit me like a glove. We got the 550 details right here, and then we got a pretty nice suede material right here. It doesn't shift that much because it's not very hairy. It's just a normal, you know, good quality suede. And then here we have the toe box. These remind me a lot of like the tennis shoes. If I find anything like information related, we'll make sure to put it somewhere on the screen. Here we have the other side of the sneaker, and then we can see all the ventilation holes right here. Pretty nice. I believe the other pair that I want actually has ventilation on here. And if you see on this pair right here, you barely have a few dots right here. So, and then here we have the back heel. You guys have no idea for how long I looked for these sneakers like on the UA market, but I don't know, they don't have them. Or at least I haven't found a company. I do know Taobao Boy, I think that's his YouTube channel. I do know he has a pair, but it looked a little bit weird. So I am pretty happy with the purchase that I made. I do not regret spending that much money. I know it's a lot for a pair of sneakers, but I mean, for people who love collecting sneakers, sometimes the price tag disappears. It really depends on the sneaker, of course, and how much you want it. And these shoes right here, I really wanted them, so that price tag was really low compared to, you know, the price tag of the other colorways. I know like the yellow one, like the one that looks very like aged, that one is going for a check right now. I think it's going for like $500 to like $700 if I'm not mistaken. That's what I remember from the last time I checked. But yeah, so I will cut it here. I hope you guys enjoyed. I don't know, I just want more simple sneakers, so I hope you guys can support that content because it is coming to the channel. I am going to be filming unboxings for things that I buy, just, you know, on I don't want to say on the regular basis, but you know, month to month I do buy things that maybe don't make it to the channel. So I just want to make sure, you know, that I keep bringing to you guys the content that I love, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So without any more talking, I'm gonna cut it here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for all the support. Peace.